Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how to use the last two trigger blocks in our Scratch Junior program. Remember, trigger blocks are used to start the programs of the different characters or objects on the stage. We have already began programming Scratch. To complete his program, we will click on the yellow trigger button. The two blocks that we will be learning today are the receive and the send message blocks. They can only be used if the characters are on the same page. We will place the send message block at the end of his program. Now we will click on the other character, Tack. We will begin Tack's program with the receive message block. Now that we have built our program, let's go back to the Scratch character to run the entire program from page 2. The send message block at the end of Scratch's program triggered Tack's program when she received the message. How awesome is that? I can't wait to see how you incorporate all of the trigger blocks into your program.